pencils and 2 erasers. I have 6 notebooks. And look, I have 1 long roller and 1 book. You better sleep early, Lida. Mother said the bus will come early tomorrow. Let's sleep, Ming Ming, said Lida. The next day, Lida woke up early. Wow, my uniform looks good, she said. Yes, you are a big girl, no, Mama said. Come eat your breakfast. She ate her breakfast, 2 eggs, 2 slices of bread, and a glass of milk. Put, Lida, the school bus is here, Papa said. Goodbye, where is Ming? Where is Ming? Asked Lida. I will say goodbye to her, but Ming was not in the room. She was not in the kitchen. She was not on the sofa. When Lida reached the classroom, she opened her bag to get her notebook and pencil. Ika naman.